So I want you to explain what you're doing, though. Okay?
Alright, so I'm just trying to make a really big number because I'm trying to learn math functions with JavaScript. So I'm doing math functions. So what this is going to do, I'm making a variable and calling it pi100. And what it does is it gets math.pi, but the computer only gets pi up to the 20th digit because it goes on forever. So I did .toFix, and .toFix will add 100 digits after it, but the computer can't process 100 digits of pi, so it's just going to add 100 zeros, as you can see right here. All those zeros pop up.
Yep.
So
how do you take the zeros out?
So first we're going to try to set it to 50 to try to subtract some zeros. So we only have 2 zeros now. Now to get rid of those zeros, we're going to add .toString, which changes it to a string so I could replace stuff, but I don't even think I need that right now. So we could just do pi100 equals pi100 dot replace. I'm going to replace those 2 zeros with nothing.
No? Okay.
The null will actually pop up as null. I'll show you. Now my thing is going to show it up as an error right here.
Oh.
But it's if I only make this 1 0, it'll just remove 1 0. So it didn't even remove 2 zeros, but it made this null.
Okay.
So we need to fix that. If we add another 0, okay, there's still null for whatever reason. Maybe if we add .toString, that turns it into a string now. Reload. Okay, we got.
Still got the null.
Yeah. I wonder if we just do this. Yeah, okay, so now we don't have 2 zeros. But we don't actually have to have this whole line of code, so we could just copy that. And we could do that. Now we reload. And there we go. We just subtracted a line of code. So now I want to get rid of this period so we could actually turn it into a bigger number instead of a decimal.
Okay.
So we're going to add another dot replace. I'm going to replace the dot with nothing. Okay, so now we have a whole number. So now we're going to make the computer do some math with it, but I want to make it choose which kind of math it wants to do. So I'm going to do var, which means I'm creating a variable, and then I'm going to just name it math, and then the first one's going to be multiplication. I don't use these often, so I don't know if this is going to detect as an error or not, but multi is going to be star. Oh no. Multi is going to be star. Let me end it. Yeah, that's not correct. I don't know, I've never used these before, but we could just do math, and then we can create a function, new math, and we're going to do name and just do what. And then we can do math dot push name what. I don't know if this is gonna work. I don't use these that much, but we're gonna do new math. Let's just do multi, and then the star, which is multiplication. Okay.
Let's see what happens.
I don't know if that's gonna work, but we could do. I can see. Okay, yeah. So it created 2 different ones. We need to fix that error. So as you can see, this is the first one, which is 0. It's multi, and the second one is this. But we could just leave that how it is. So yeah.